Have you ever been asked to play for a wedding? Or a funeral? Or the opening of an art gallery? Or maybe for a book launch? Hi, I'm Clíodhna Ní Aodáin from the Celtic Cello, and I'd love to teach you a new tune. Now, don't get me wrong, I love Bach, and I think the Prelude to the First Suite is one of the greatest pieces of music ever written for the cello. However, we may have overdone it. So I'd like to teach you a tune where you can sound more Celtic. It's called the Lark in the Clear Air, and the sheet music is available for free on my bio link or in the link below on the Sound More Celtic link. So here we go, the Lark in the Clear Air. This is a tune that I've used in many different circumstances for any kind of occasion. It works really, really well. I'll just break it down into phrases for you so it's easier to learn. First phrase sounds like this. And the second phrase. The second phrase is very like the first phrase. Up until here. Until this note, and then the second phrase. The third phrase sounds like this. And the last phrase. And that's almost the same as this second phrase. So that's a really easy tune that you could learn. As I say, the sheet music's available in the link. But what if the bride's late? Or what if the event planner doesn't show up? Or what if the artist is still in bed when you have the opening for the exhibition? So in my next video, I'm going to show you what you can do with a tune like the Lark in the Clear Air if things don't quite go to plan at your event. And it's something I haven't shared before, and I'm looking forward to letting you into one of my secrets. So look out for the next video and see you there.